All right, y'all. So for today's setup, we got a 1/0 or a 2/0 hook, I believe. You can see that. Little barbs on the back. Got some weight for the bottom, and then it's gonna sit just like that. This should move freely in the water. So comment down below if you use this setup or have tried this setup or recommend a different setup. What kind of setup do you use for something like this?